In this video, we will be talking about ratio tables and proportions. We'll use ratio tables to help us solve proportions. Children, proportions are just equivalent ratios. And this will be linked to everything that you've learned about fractions as well. So I'm activating your prior knowledge by linking equivalent ratios to equivalent fractions. So we have a real world problem here, and it talks about a lemonade recipe. The lemonade recipe is 2 lemons to every 3 cups of water. Now I hope they add sugar to this recipe. Don't you? They're kind of tart. Yeah. A little sour. So 2 lemons to 3 cups of water. So here's the problem though. I want 20 total cups of lemonade. So I need to ask myself, how many lemons do I need? Okay? We're pretending like I'm making lemonade for the entire class. So to go to Walmart or Food Lion, I have to figure out how many lemons I'm going to have to purchase to make a total of 20 cups of lemonade. So I have the information in a table here, and it starts with 2, 2, 5. 2 lemons to a total of 5 cups of lemonade. I'm going to use the information they gave us from this table to set up my proportions, which, remember, proportions are equivalent ratios. A really important thing to do, children, is you have to make sure your units of measurement are across from each other. So here I have lemons to lemons, and the total cups to the total cups. That's an important part of setting up your proportion or your equivalent ratio. So think back to equivalent fractions. With equivalent fractions, we either multiplied or divided the numerator by the same number to get its equivalency. So it's represented by different numbers, children, but really it's the same value. So what did we do to 5 to get 20? Remember, think multiplication or division. You can blurt it.
Times it by 4.
Multiply by 4, times it by 4. So 5 times 4 is 20. And what we do to the denominator, we have to do to the numerator. So I'm going to multiply 2 times 4 as well. And what's that product? 8. And that's the amount of lemons we'll need to produce 20 cups of lemonade. So over here on my chart, I'm going to add the value that we found. I'll erase my question mark and put the 8. Let's do some more real world examples together.